The Guyana Power and Light's current 5-year development and expansion program caters for massive infrastructure development. This focus displays the company's recognition that it is imperative that overall developments in technical performance and quality of service are achieved for the benefit of customers. To date, the Infrastructure Development Program, the IDP, is over 80% complete. It is expected that it will be completed at the end of the second quarter of 2014. The IDP entails the installation of 96 kilometers of 69 kV transmission cables and the construction of 7 new substations and the upgrade of 3 existing ones. The substations allow for the step down of electricity from the 69,000 volts to 13,000 volts at the various points. A US $40 million concessionary loan through the China Exim Bank is catering for GPL's transformation. The first priority work under the IDP was to link West Demerara Region 3 to Georgetown in 2012. This included an expanded and upgraded Kingston substation and a submarine cable across the Demerara River to a new substation at Vredenhoop in Region 3.
The infrastructure development project, as you know, is funded through a concessional loan from the China Exim Bank. Total cost was about 38.9 million United States dollars. We commissioned and put into operation the first set of works which we deemed the first priority works on the West Demerara in December of 2012.
Further, a 69 kV transmission line linking Vredenhoop to Edinburgh on the west coast Demerara was also set up and commissioned,
which is next to Leonora on the West Demerara. Since then, we have completed and commissioned a new substation, 69 kV substation and control center at Sophia. We have expanded and upgraded the existing old Sophia substation.
This included a 69 kV line between the new Sophia substation and the Good Hope station on the east coast of Demerara. This was followed by the construction of another 69 kV transmission line from Good Hope to Columbia Maikoni, where a new substation has also been constructed. Also completed is a 69 kV transmission line between the Columbia and Anvawakt substations. These have not yet been commissioned, but the actual physical construction is completed. Also in the process of construction are new substations at North Ramveld and another new substation at Golden Grove on the East Bank Demerara, next door to Diamond, which is another area of heavy demand.
As part of the IDP, the construction of these new substations includes installation of new 13.8 kV switchgear, or outlets as we call them, for the distribution system.
This helps to alleviate problems stemming from previous existing systems, which consisted of very long radial feeders. For example, on the West Demerara, the Versailles power station had a feeder extending to Vredenhoop and to beyond Parika to Lookout. As the demand grew over the years, customers at the far end began to suffer from quality problems. As a result of the new substations, the new outlets began to alleviate the problems. This has seen reduced losses in the distribution line as well as improved quality to the customers. Plans are also being examined for a new substation to be built in West Demerara, where there are several large housing schemes such as Bell West and Parfait Harmony. The expansion program has been conducted with the expectation of the advent of hydropower being realized in Guyana. Meanwhile, residents have voiced their views about the expansion program and its intention to make their lives and communities better.
They're doing a good job because they changed a lot of the lines them and they put up new lines. And we get in full current right now. But they could be doing a little more better. Because we still get in that one time we get in blackout. But at least the main thing is money. And once they get the money, they could get better.
We have no problem with the light, and they did a very good job.
One of the major issues plaguing the power company is loss reduction, and the IDP is the first major investment in this regard. Over recent years, the country has witnessed an unprecedented boom in the construction industry. This has resulted in GPL having to service more housing areas.